Guys, it's Ariel and I'm back with another video. And today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make some slime. So yeah, the ingredients you need is some glue, any kind of glue, and some eye drops. And I already put that in the cup. And also need something to mix with. You need to mix in. And all the pigments in there. And you just kind of be mixing. I'm guessing. I'm just going to be adding random amount. So put some in. Oops. And I'm sorry for the lighting. It's just really not that good. And now I'm just mixing it. Yeah, I'm just mixing it. And this is what it's kind of look like. I already made some earlier. This is what it's kind of look like. I don't know why mine's just so bad, but I made it earlier today. And it's like that. It's just all slimy. And because mine cannot really that stretch so much, is because mine was wet. Oh, I know why. There's some stuff in here. Let me dry that out. With my cloth. I'm drying it out. Okay. So it's dry now. Okay, so like that. Yeah, and then in a separate bowl, you're gonna need some water and some baking soda. Okay, so I'm just mix it now. Mix it real good. And now that I mixed it good, you just want to add a little bit at a time. So you have a little bit. Mix it in there well. When it's mixed another way, I'll come back. Okay. So I'm just mixing it. And mine's just a little liquidy, but it's okay. It's supposed to be like that. I'm just keep on mixing mine until it becomes a thick consistency. Okay? Okay, so I'm just keep on mixing it. Mixing it. Mine's getting thick. It's getting good. But I just wanted to get it in really good, so I'm just keep on mixing it and adding more glue. So I'll be right back. So I just kept on mixing, adding the stuff, the solution, kept on mixing, and I just took it out. And this is what it looks like. I think it's pokeable. I don't know. I have to do it. But my shit's so slippery now. So yeah, but after it dries out, like after all the stuff sinks into it, then it'll be perfect. See? And so now I'm just gonna put this in the baggie. I'm putting it in the baggie like this so I'll just dry out. It can dry out, see? And look, it's so fun. You can poke it through there when it's drying. But you do not want too much air. You don't want no air in it. See, my shit's flat. See, it will dry out. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Comment down below. And I hope it works out for you. Give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I love you guys.